Welcome back. Don't forget to sign up for the latest Shiba Inu news and price predictions. Shiba Inu has been listed by prominent cryptocurrency exchange Big Castle Shiba Inu on another cryptocurrency exchange. The popular Shiba Inu crypto meme is listed on the cryptocurrency exchange quote. To celebrate the listing, the trading platform has announced a special campaign for users. The exchange says that its customers can get 1,000 Shiba tokens per day just by logging in on the 5th and 10th. Users will be able to receive 5,000 chips and 10,000 chips respectively. In total, one can earn up to 23,000 Shiba tokens for 21 cents at the time of publication. Login rewards are limited to 10 days from listing. Users with multiple accounts will not be able to qualify for the campaign. Apart from Shib, Castle Exchange also supports altcoins such as Dogecoin, Solana, and XRP. The Shib token is down 89.28% from its high. This was achieved again in October. As I reported today, Mark Yusko, CEO at Morgan Cree Capital Management, recently emphasized that the 9 meme coins must collapse to zero to start a new bull market. Due to the growing adoption in its vibrant community, Shib has managed to remain among the largest altcoins, which proves it is more than just fashion. The crypto meme is currently valued at $5.4 billion, which puts it above cryptocurrencies like Tron and Solana. By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. The $3.6 billion Shiba Inu is discussing a possible Shib listing. The price could explode to $2. After a tweet from a Shib influencer requesting a listing of the crypto coin meme, Fidelity Investments has hinted at a possible integration of the token in the future. Shib's Fidelity listing will boost its widespread global adoption and potentially dethrone Dogecoin as the king of meme coins. US-based cryptocurrency trading firm Fidelity Investments has announced that it is considering listing popular meme symbol Shiba Inu on its digital asset trading platform. The news came in response to a request from a Shiba fan and influencer in the Shiba Inu ecosystem after a prominent Shib army influencer in Shib tweeted that the financial services company should consider integrating Shib into its trading app. The company responded by saying that it currently only offers Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, it added that it plans to add Shib and other crypto tokens in the future as it looks to expand its cryptocurrency trading activities. This cryptocurrency trading company provides commission-free transaction services to interested investors. A service was launched earlier this month. In addition, the asset management company also revealed that one of its services, Fidelity Crypto, is designed to enable retail investors to buy and trade BTC and ETH on its trading app. Furthermore, the U.S. crypto service provider provides custody services for all supported tokens via its affiliate Fidelity Digital Assets. Speaking to CNBC, a Fidelity spokesperson stressed that the company aims to prioritize where its clients invest their money. Many Fidelity customers have expressed interest in cryptocurrency, and the company is striving to provide them with the right tools and support to make their decision. Thus, Sincerity will continue to ensure that customers benefit from education, research, technology, and support. Moreover, Fidelity also provides Bitcoin custody services and other crypto-based investment products to users as proof of its belief in digital assets. The financial giant allowed its employees to invest some 401 retirement savings in Bitcoin earlier this year. The company is one of several U.S. giants with active investments in crypto. Will the share price get a boost? Fidelity Investments has more than $4.5 trillion in assets under management. This makes it one of the major players in the field of financial investment. Thus, if combined among its crypto asset offerings, Fidelity would undoubtedly aid in the massive adoption of Shib and propel it a step above its competition. Dogecoin. With Dogecoin quickly losing its position as the king of meme coins, the Shiba Inu will become the token of choice among retailers should the Fidelity list happen. The strong Shiba community and its active influencers have been the driving force behind the adoption of the token on major trading platforms. After catching the network's attention with a successful social media campaign, they pivoted to listing Shiba on another cryptocurrency trading firm, Robinhood. As expected, the online appeal called for Shiba to be included in Robinhood's free trading app along with additional support for the asset. Shiba Inu price is poised to recover. Encryption. Our market failed to discourage Shiba Inu cryptocurrency redemption. XI price has remained largely unchanged over the past 2 weeks, and analysts have identified technical indicators that point to a recovery in the meme coin. Coin Republic technical analyst Nancy Allen argues that Shiba Inu price needs to post a breakout from the descending triangle pattern. Shiba Inu needs to attract more buyers in the daily trading session to start its recovery. The RSI, which is the momentum indicator, is at 46 and is struggling to break out of neutrality. Alan believes that the strong momentum divergence on the Shiba Inu, which is tracked by the moving average convergence indicator, could signal a rebound in the meme coin. The number of gray owners changes in an unexpected way. The owners of SHIB change in a dramatic way, but it may be a blessing in disguise. According to Etherscan, the number of holders of SHIB, the Shiba Inu ecosystem's token, has dropped significantly over the past 8 days from a recent peak of 1.28 million on November 23. The number of SHIB owners dropped to 1.25 million by the first day of winter, so 30,000 titles, or 2.3% of the total maximum number, completely removed the Shiba Inu token from their balances. The statistics are also consistent with the behavior of large investors. As previously reported by EW Today, Ethereum whales have been actively reducing the share of Shiba Inu tokens in their holdings, bringing their number to 8.3 trillion coins, which is now equivalent to $74.47 million. By comparison, in the summer, the number of grays in the portfolios of this group of investors exceeded $500 million at roughly the same price as the asset itself. Has the price of gray hair reached the bottom? What is interesting is that the price did not react negatively in any way to the significant drop in holdings, showing a similar range to selling in SHIB. Furthermore, during the period under review, asset quotations showed a modest increase of approximately 2%. These dynamics may again indicate that the price of SHIB has reached or is close to its bottom. However, the accumulation here can go on for a long time. A number of gray tokens burned in hell in November. Details of increased number of SHIB burned on a monthly basis along with measure of gray adoption compared to all separate weekly burns in November. The total amount of AUM destroyed last month was up by more than $500 million. This is still very low compared to early fall and summer results. 666 million Shiba went last month as reported by the shibainu tracker platform in November. The Shiba Inu army managed to remove the number of devils from this memes just over 666 million. In particular, Swiss watchmaking giant Hublot started accepting Shiba Inu Dogecoin and other cryptocurrencies in August this year. Thanks for watching. See you next video.